In a world where wildfires are increasingly threatening our homes and safety, building smarter is no longer an option, but a necessity. Traditional lumber-framed homes have been popular for decades, but in high-risk wildfire zones, they come with significant risks. InnovaPanel presents a revolutionary alternative, unmatched in fire resistance, durability, and energy efficiency. Made with non-combustible magnesium cement, InnovaPanel does not ignite or fuel fires, offering a crucial layer of protection. Easily load-bearing up to 5 floors, hurricane-rated, termite-resistant, and eco-friendly, these panels are designed for the future. Beyond fire safety, InnovaPanel's energy-efficient and low-carbon footprint offers long-term savings and environmental benefits. Pre-cut for faster installation and reducing skilled labor requirements, building with InnovaPanel is a hassle-free process. The smarter choice is clear. Prioritize safety, durability, and sustainability in your construction projects with InnovaPanel. Visit us at www.innovapanel.com today. Build smart, live green.